Okay, today we did Lesson 6, Session 2, develop different ways to show addition. The 3 strategies we learned today are on page 146. And first one is base 10 blocks. The next one is add 10s and add 1s. And then the next one is go to the next 10. I went ahead and created a little bit of a cheat sheet for you guys. So you can go ahead and take a little screenshot of that if you'd like. These are the 3 strategies we learned. So let's do add 10s and 1s. Okay, so here's our problem. We're going to say 38 plus 45 equals question mark. Okay, first you'll start with the 38 here and you break it apart into 30 plus 8. The next one is 45, write it right below. And you're going to break it apart to 40 plus 5. Then you're going to add each one up. 8 plus 5 is 13. And 30 plus 40 is 70. Okay? Then you're left with 70 plus 13. You're going to go 3 plus 0. Add the 1s. Place 3 in the 0. And it comes out to be 3. Now add the 10s. So that would be the 1 and the 7. So 7 plus 1 is 8. That's 83. I really like this one. I think the kids kind of think they like it. It's pretty easy. The next one is base 10 blocks. Same problem. 38 plus 45 equals question mark. I do my 3 10s and my 8 1s. Now when I do this, I have them do the 1s as circles. And I have them do it in rows of 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That way it's a lot easier to just, each column is going to be 5. So it makes it a lot faster. Plus 45. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. And then here's my 5. Okay. Now we take 10 because you can't write 13 down here. So you have to move 10 over into the 10s column, add a 10. So I'm going to circle 10 of my circles, my 1s, and I'm going to move it over and make it a 10. Okay, so now when I count my 1s, I don't count this anymore. So I'm just counting the ones that are left. 1, 2, 3. And then I count my 10s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And those are in my 10s place value. Okay? Then my next one is go to the next 10. So same problem. I'm going to start at 38. And I'm going to add, these are my jumps. Remember, everything in the middle is going to be your jumps. So I'm going to do 38. And I need to get to the next 10. So the next 10s always end in 0. So the next 10 that comes after 38 is 40. How many jumps did it take me to get from 38 to 40? 38, 39, 40. 2 jumps, so I put a 2 in there. I'm going to bring my 40 down here. Now I'm going to add my 10s. So how many 10s do I need to jump? Right here, here's your 10s. So I know I move my 40 here. Now I'm going to jump 40 more times. So then it equals 80. So 0 and 0 is 0, and 4 plus 4 is 8. I move my 80 down here. And I needed to make 45 jumps total. Well, if I look up here, I have 40 plus 2. That's only 42. So I know I need to make 3 more jumps, so I have a total of 45 jumps. So 80 plus 3 is 83, and that's my answer. Now, if I add up these jumps right here, it should equal 45, and if it is, then I know I got the right answer. So those are the 3 strategies you're going to practice on tonight's homework. Tonight you will have a fluency page here, and let me show you how to do that real quick. We have these problems. I'm going to combine my 10s. So 30 plus 50 is 80. and 7 plus 3 is 10. Again, I add my ones first. 0 plus 0 is 0. Then I'm going to add the numbers that are in my tens column. 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay? Same thing. You'll combine your tens first. So 0 plus 0 is 0. 4 plus 2 is 6. And then we know 8 plus 2 is 10. Combining your zeros, 0 plus 0 is 0. Combining your ones. Now do your tens column. 1 and 6 is 7. Okay? These, you're going to use the strategy of adding tens and ones. So you're going to break apart each number. So 37 will be 30 plus 7. 53 will be 50 plus 3. Add your ones. It is 10. Add your tens. 0 plus 0 is 0. And 3 plus 5 is 8. Okay? Now combine these two. So 0 plus 0 is 0. And 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay? Okay, so same thing down here. You're breaking apart each number and then adding the ones and then adding the tens. Down here, we don't know this missing addend. Now we can start at 45 and get to the next 10. Or we could even break it apart. You can do either one. So I didn't break it apart. Getting to the next 10. So I found 45. I need to add 5 more, and it gets me to 50. I put the 50 down here, and I need to get to 90 is my answer. So I need to get to 90. So I'm at 50, and I need to get to 90. How many jumps is that? And it's 40. So if I add these jumps up, it's a total of 45. This one down here, I don't know my first number. Now remember, you can change it to a fact family. So you could do 21 plus blank equals 60 and start that way. And that's what I did. So I did 21 plus 9 gets me to my next 10, which is 30. Put the 30 down here. And I know that my answer is going to get to 60. So say if you're at 30, you need to get to 60. How many jumps is that? 30. Because 3 plus 3 is 6. So I know if I add these two up, it's 39, and that's my answer. And that is your homework tonight. If you have any questions, let me know.